Hey there, it's Dana and welcome back to my channel everyone. Today, I've got something special in store for you guys. We will have our very first look at the newly released 22-23 NBA Mosaic Blaster Boxes. Here it is, folks, the 22-23 Mosaic Basketball Blaster Box that I ordered online. I just received it today. I hope these blasters are packed with some amazing pulls. But before we read these boxes, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are new to the channel. And also don't forget to click on that like button and notification bell so you would never miss any of my personal box breaks like this one. Alright, so let's not waste any of our time here. Let's rip the first blaster box. So Paolo Banchero is our cover boy for this box, and it comes with 6 packs per box, 6 cards per pack, so a total of 36 cards, and we will be getting 4 Mosaic Prizms. So the ultra rare card would be our Mosaic Genesis. And we also have numbered cards here. We have golds. We have numbered to 25. So different parallels. We have silver, mosaic, mosaic green, and mosaic Genesis. We also have the orange fluorescent numbered to 25. And inserts, we have the Thunder Road. I don't think we have Thunder Road from last year. Elevate, Give and Go. I don't think we also have Give and Go. We have Gem Masters and Epic Performers. And we also can get autos from here. Alright, so moving on, again we have 6 packs for this first blaster. Alright, I hope we can pull some amazing cards today. First pack, we have a DeJounte, Fultz, Pat Will, Oladipo, and our first rookie, Jaden Hardy of the Mavs, and Pat. We have a jersey match, or a color match, but we don't know this guy.
You know that guy?
From the box. Jalen Brunson. Oh, we have something at the back. Bobby Portis. Okay, Team USA. Giddy. Grant Williams. And THT. So we have our Mosaic. And an Ant-Man. Elevate. Ant-Man. Elevate. Just the base though. Alright, third pack. Bol, Steph, Hayward, KD, wearing the Suns, and we have 2 green Mosaic. Wow!
Nice.
Almost a color match. Thunder Road. Green Mosaic of LaMelo Ball. Nice. I think this is a good pull. Next one. Cameron Payne of the Suns. Yeah, I think this one is okay. Let me just put this LaMelo Ball in a sleeve. Fourth pack, Barrett, Mikal Bridges, still wearing, oh no, already wearing the Nets. Lonnie Walker, Anunoby, our rookie, J-Dub. J-Dub, Mosaic, just the base. And a Jokic, Epic Performers. See how bent the cards are? So it's a little curved, concave. Luka, Killian Hayes, Horford, Plumlee. We have another green mosaic at the back. A Jabari Smith base. And let me see if this is a rookie card. Phoenix Suns, Chris Paul. I don't like that. So far I think our hit for our first box is the LaMelo Thunder Road. Can we pull one rookie parallel or no? Max Truss, LeBron, KPJ, Dorian Finney-Smith, and a rookie Walker Kessler. Just the base though. And another Jam Masters. Another Ant-Man I mean, but Jam Masters. So I just don't like Jam Masters in general. Yeah. Alright. So nothing too big or none pulls from our first blaster. I hope our second box will shine this time. Yeah, so I hope we can get that Genesis because 2 years, the 2021 and the 21-22 I was able to pull Genesis. I think one was of Jordan Poole and the other one was of Marcus Smart. Yeah. Okay, so we have fresh 6. First pack. Come on. Be the better box and beat the first box. Bobby Portis, Bobo, same cards. JC, Derek White, Jordan Goodwin from the Wizards. And our first, we have an epic performers of LeBron. So, second pack. Steph Curry, Kuzma, PJ Washington, Zion. Our rookie card, this is Max Christie. And our green mosaic, a Giddey, Josh Giddey, nice. I just collect Josh Giddey. And third pack. I hope we can get something out of these blasters. So, Bogdanovich, Maxi, Monk, Kawhi, Malachi, and for our Jam Masters, Jaden Ivey. But it doesn't have a RC logo. Next pack. Marjanovic, another Bogdanovich, Melton, Reggie Bullock, Diabate, and for our mosaic, green mosaic, Grant Williams. I wish it was Tatum. It's a color match. Mobley, Cat, Poto. We have our mosaic here. Danny Green. This is a little old play. Elevate. Julius Randle. Wow. No rookies, no Banchero. Wow. Just base cards for our rooks. A Kongwu. Oh my god! I think it's a Genesis. I'm kidding. Harris, Barnes, Reddish, and we have a Jam Masters. Oh, Darren Fox of the Kings. And I think this is a Genesis. Rookie. Terry Eason Genesis.
Just took it right away from Paolo. And Eason drops the hammer.
Oh, the Hawks are still open. Here's Eason by himself in the open floor with the hammer.
Wow! I think this is a Genesis, huh? Right? I think this is a Genesis. Wow, 3 straight years. I mean, it could have been Jabari Smith, right? But I'm not complaining. At least it's a rookie parallel and it's a mosaic. I don't know how much this. I hope this card has value or somebody from Rockets is collecting. Right, nice. What a way. What a banger. Last pull. Alright. So, let me just fix the cards and do a quick recap. Alright. So before we wrap things up, I want to thank each and every one of you. Also, I'm about to reach another milestone in my channel, and I hope you guys can help me reach it. So once we reach the 3,000 subscribers mark, I have some giveaways in store for you guys just to show my appreciation for all of your support. So please help me guys in reaching this major milestone for a small YouTuber like me. Alright, so going back to the break, just to do the recap, I opened 2 blaster boxes today. And from the first blaster, we got this cool looking LaMelo card, Thunder Road Mosaic Green of LaMelo. And the rest, I'm just gonna be noting down or showing you guys the notable rooks. We have J-Dub, Jabari Smith, and Walker Kessler. From the second box, we actually got the ultra rare card. We have a rookie Mosaic Genesis of Terry Eason. We have the green Mosaic of Josh Giddey. We have the Jam Masters Mosaic of Darren Fox. Jam Masters of Jaden Ivey, and Epic Performers, the base of LeBron James. So that's it for today. Let me know guys what you think of the Mosaic Blaster. So thank you for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. See you again in my next break. Bye!